Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Shreyashi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a must-have beauty products for everyone, and you need this in your life. So without further ado, let's get started. So the one beauty product which everyone needs in their life is aloe vera gel. But what aloe vera gel you are choosing, that is very much important. And my favorite one is this one. This is Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel. But why this? Because there are so many aloe vera gel in the market right now. But why this? So let me share with you guys the details. Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel is 99% pure aloe vera gel, and for the purity of this product is purely transparent, which is supposed to be, because there are so many aloe vera gel in the market right now which is completely green, and that is totally fake because aloe vera gel is transparent. So if your aloe vera gel is green, throw it right away and buy this. And this product is very hygienically extracted and technically packed, which is very important when it comes to aloe vera gel to retain its natural healing and rejuvenating effect. So this multi-purpose beauty product is specially designed for your healthy skin, scalp and hair care. So this product not only nourishes and hydrates your skin but also your scalp and hair. Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel has 99% pure aloe vera gel, and it is free from chemicals like paraben and silicone. This aloe vera gel has aloe vera juice, citric acid and xanthan gum, which keeps skin hydrated. Also, this aloe vera gel soothes the skin and has an antibacterial and antioxidant property in it, which increases collagen production and makes skin supple. So I hope you understand why you need this Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel in your life. So definitely check my description box to get the link, and definitely try this and thank me later. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked it and find something useful, and I promise you that you are going to love this product. So definitely check it out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because next video is coming very soon. So till then, stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.